I'm Aldo De Leonibus. I am the CEO of Inventya. We started in 2010. Our mission statement is to help ambitious organizations to achieve exceptional outcomes. We support quite a broad range of businesses with things like accessing to finance, helping with the strategy and supporting via strategic advice in accelerating the level of growth and scaling. We are also partners in a number of different programs, like for example, we work with Innovate UK on the business growth program, and we deliver on high growth and scaling up support. I believe the statistics are 80-90% of businesses don't make it past the first few years. So we wanted to really have an impact and support the businesses in the development, the successful development of their groundbreaking technologies and commercializing these technologies and taking them to market. We have offices around the UK. We have an office in Ireland as Inventya Ventures. We're based in Dublin, and we also have an office in India, in Gurgaon, near New Delhi. Across the company we have over 90 staff. Over the last 15 years, Inventya has grown and scaled itself. What we noticed during this growth phase is that we had to grow all of our systems and all of our processes because we had an increased number of requirements across the whole spectrum, from HRs to finances to the management of our clients and relationships with the clients. So we are looking for a system that helped us to scale all of our processes. The different systems that we had, they were all working independent in silos. We weren't able to share information with each of the systems. They were all on different invoicing and different billing. So it was a really logistical nightmare and a headache to manage all of these different disjointed solutions. Not only that, but when we are looking at gaining insights into all of this information that we had, was very difficult to join everything up and to bring everything together. When we started the process of looking for new CRM, we really realized that there was much more that we could do, that there were lots of different systems that could be integrated and could be brought together under the same umbrella, and all talking with each other and sharing information with each other. And that's where we came across Zoho. We opted for Zoho One, which is a collection of a number of different apps that all work together seamlessly. We use a number of different solutions within Zoho One to develop our client interface, and we have now developed a seamless interface with our clients that takes them through the end-to-end journey in a very straightforward and seamless manner. So the key apps that we're using for our client journey are CRM, SalesIQ, Zoho Forms, Zoho Sign, and then into Zoho Projects. A core part of our client journey is within Zoho CRM. Inside of Zoho CRM we have a number of different APIs and solutions. For example, we have a very powerful integration through red flag alert into company's house data, so we can search for a company name and company numbers, and when we find this unique match using a company number, we can link any UK registered company with our CRM and automatically pull all of the company's house data. But once a link is established, all of the future data that is then sent by companies into company's house is automatically updated on the CRM, so we know that the information is always up to date and is always current. It avoids any duplication as it uses the company's house ID as the unique identifier. We know that there are no duplicates in our CRM, but also if a company changes their company name, we always have the latest updated company name. Through this system we can pull in a huge amount of information. For example, we have credit risk, we have the total value of the net assets, number of employees, We have when the company files the account, we have all of the historic filing, so we have all of the latest profit and loss, balance sheet data, we have all of the accurate registered address and the trading address, just to name a few of the different fields that are pulled in automatically. So red flag is the names of the directors registered on company's house, and then finds the right LinkedIn profile for the directors. So we have all of the LinkedIn information available automatically within the CRM. And we've also built some bespoke categorization that uses our internal data and can automatically give us a score for our prospects in terms of how likely it is that we will be able to help them and support them based on all of the historic financials. And also this categorization helps us not only to prioritize but also to see within our business development team who would be the best person to contact the prospect. Before this integration, it was taking half a day to research more information about the prospect and inserting it into the CRM, while now we can do it in a matter of seconds. We also have an Outlook integration with the CRM, so directly from Outlook we can see if any mail that we receive is already from someone on the CRM or not, and if they're not on the CRM, then we can add them in very easy and straightforward, just a couple of steps. We can click on add the new lead or the new contact, we can provide a little bit of additional information, and then everything is added seamlessly directly into the CRM. In the CRM we also set up integration with our Outlook and emails, so that any team member that receives an email from anyone that is on the CRM, that email is automatically copied and stored in the record of that person, so that when anyone accesses the record in the CRM, they can see what has been the communication and they can follow up from the latest discussion. This was a nightmare for us before because we didn't have that level of visibility, and it happened in the past where we contacted someone and we weren't aware of all of the discussion that was happening before, so it has all been resolved. On the customer journey, another very powerful app from the Zoho One suite called SalesIQ. We've integrated the SalesIQ that is effectively a chatbot on our website with the ChatGPT, and through the ChatGPT integration we have developed quite a capable chatbot that can answer questions based on the data that we have provided and can link then the initial chat with one of our advisors based on what is the request that is coming through, and feeds all of the data automatically into the CRM, so we can create leads directly from our chatbot. In the website we have Zoho Forms integrated directly within the website, and we've also developed some bespoke forms using the web to lead scripting. These data is then, or these forms that are automatically linked with the CRM, so all of the data that is inserted into one of our forms then goes automatically in the CRM and is picked up by one of the team to follow up with the inquiry. So we also use Zoho Booking on the website. Through Zoho Booking, prospects and clients they can book a meeting directly with the specialist advisor that they needed to speak with. So if it's one of the services that we offer, like for example corporate finance or market research, they can find that expertise on the website and then they can book a meeting directly with the right team. It stops all of the toing and froing of emails. It's automatically linked with our Outlook calendar, so anyone going on our website can see what is the up-to-date availability of our team member, and they can book a meeting directly with them, and the meeting automatically appears on their Outlook calendar. So after a lead has expressed an interest in some of our services, we convert the lead into an opportunity. With the opportunity then we progress it directly through Zoho Sign, so directly from the CRM within the opportunity module we can send out the contract to the client. The client receives an email with the link to the contract. Once they're happy with the contract, they can sign it directly from within Zoho Sign. We received the signed contract back directly within our CRM, and as soon as we receive it back, a project is created inside of Zoho Project. The project is assigned to the right person based on the service that the client is interested in. A record is automatically created in Zoho Books, and it's also automatically created inside of the timesheets in Zoho People, so that then the team working on the project, they can record the time spent on that project, and all of that information then is fed into Zoho Books for all of the invoicing. So it's a whole a seamless project that is completely automated, and we have created a number of different workflows to manage all of that. Zoho has been very well received from everyone across the business. It took a little bit of time, but now it's used seamlessly by everyone. Inventya is continuing our growth. So far we'll be growing at around 35% year on year, so quite an accelerated level of growth. We were delighted as well to be included 3 times into Financial Times fastest growing companies in Europe. So we will certainly continue our growth, and we are confident that Zoho is fully aligned with our growth and will enable us to continue growing and expanding at this rate. There are still more things that we can do with Zoho, and we can optimize it further to help our scaling journey. We want to develop a client portal where all of the clients will be able to log in, and they will be able to see all of the information about all of their projects that they've done with us. So they will be able to see all of the reports that we have prepared. They will be able to have all of the contract information. They will be able to see all of the invoices and the status of all of the invoices. So it will be a 360-degree portal for our clients that will provide them all of the information that they need, and again all linked with our systems, so that they will be able to get a live, always up-to-date view of what's happening on their projects. So because of how powerful we found Zoho and how valuable it was for us as a growing and scaling company, going from the 15 employees that we were when we started working with Zoho to the 90 staff, over 90 staff that we are now, and realizing the importance of having the right systems for growing and scaling businesses, we decided to start offering Zoho services to our clients as well, and we've started the journey to become a Zoho partner. It's an area that will be very important for us going forward, and we already started to see the impact that Zoho can have also on our clients' businesses. So we're very excited with this next step of our journey. I would absolutely recommend Zoho to any growing and scaling business. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's the best solution that we found to get all of these integration with all of the different aspects of the business and bring all of the information together so seamlessly.